Alright, if your motion graphics are feeling a little flat or beginnerish, you don't need more effects. You need better asterisk moves. Asterisks. The kind of moves that make clients assume you've been doing this forever. In this video, you'll learn 5 practical After Effects skills that instantly level up your work. None of them require advanced wizardry. They're repeatable, understandable, and they'll show up in almost every project you make. Ads, explainers, UI animations, short social content, even simple branding. Let's jump in. Ata. Skill #1. Animate with purpose, not just movement. Here's the most common beginner trap. You animate every layer separately. One icon fades here, text bounces there, a graphic slides somewhere else, and suddenly the whole thing feels busy, but not asterisk intentional. Asterisk. A more professional approach is to think in terms of asterisks. One evolving layout. Asterisks. 1 ###. Try this workflow. 1. Start with a rounded rectangle, card, or background shape that contains your content, your icon, your title, your supporting text, maybe a chart or mini graphic. 2. Instead of treating each element like a separate scene, animate the asterisk container. Asterisks. So, when the design needs to change, you don't just cut to a new layout. You asterisk grow, shrink, and reposition asterisk, the container, and then the internal items move to match the new space. For example, the card expands, giving room for more information. The title slides slightly upward to keep visual balance. The icon shifts to the side so it doesn't overlap. The chart unfolds into the newly created area. That's the key. You're not just animating. You're guiding the viewer through a clear layout change. ###. Make it feel premium. Personally apply asterisk. Easy ease asterisk. Press F9. Open the asterisk. Graph editor asterisk. And smooth the acceleration curves so motion starts gently and lands cleanly. Even tiny improvements like that make your animation feel smoother and more real, like it has weight and timing, not like it's just flipping between states. If you remember one thing from skill #1, remember this. Asterisk animate the design structure first. Movement becomes a consequence, not a random choice. Skill #2. Create typography that feels alive. Typography is everywhere. Explainer videos, commercials, social ads, app interfaces. And if your text animation looks clunky, the whole project feels clunky. So let's build a clean, reusable text animation that feels alive without getting complicated. Your go-to text animator setup. 1. Select your asterisk text layer, asterisk. 2. Add an asterisk, position animator, asterisk. 3. Add an asterisk, opacity animator, asterisk. Now do the initial hidden to revealed setup. For position, move the text asterisk down, asterisk a little, and reduce its asterisk, opacity, asterisk to asterisk a little, and reduce its asterisk, opacity, asterisk to asterisk 0, asterisk. In the animator settings, choose whether the animation affects asterisk, characters, asterisk, words, asterisk, or asterisk, lines, asterisk. This choice changes the vibe instantly. Next, control the feel. Adjust authorics, ease high, authorics, and authorics, ease low, authorics for smoother transitions. Then animate authorics, offset, authorics from authorics 100%, authorics to authorics 100%, autorix, to autorix, 100%, autorix, to autorix, 100%, autorix, to autorix, 100%, 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 autorix. As the offset progresses, the text smoothly comes into view with controlled timing. It's simple, it's fast, and it looks expensive. Make it reusable. This is where pros save time. Once it looks right, copy that animator setup and paste it onto other text layers throughout your project. Consistency is a huge part of what makes work feel professional. Optional handcrafted accent. Want one extra detail that makes people pay attention? Draw a simple line using the asterisk pen tool, asterisk. Ears, apply asterisk, trim paths asterisk, so it writes onto the screen. Then add asterisk, wiggle paths, asterisk, with asterisk, smooth, enabled asterisk. You get a subtle, almost hand-drawn motion, perfect for underlines, highlights, or attention cues. Not distracting, just alive.
Malba, skill hash. 3. Master hierarchies with null objects. Now things get practical. As your projects get bigger, you'll start drowning in layers. Dozens of icons, shapes, text elements, pre-comps, effects, and suddenly adjusting anything takes forever.
You need a better control system. Null objects are your animation dashboard. Here's the idea. Create asterisk, null object, asterisk. Instead of dragging and repositioning every layer individually, you animate one controller. So when you need changes, move the null, the whole layout shifts together. The scale the null, everything grows or shrinks as a group. Rotate the null, the entire composition rotates cleanly. This keeps your timeline organized and makes revisions way less painful. And here's the truth. Professional motion designers rarely animate dozens of layers one by one. They animate controllers. That's why their work looks consistent and why their timelines don't collapse when the client changes their mind. Tip you'll feel immediately. Create one null for the main layout, and if your scene is complex, create additional nulls for character sections, like a header block, a chart block, or a button group. You're building structure. Your animation becomes easy to edit instead of fragile. Skill 4. Make simple graphics feel three-dimensional. You don't always need real 3D models to create depth. You can fake it convincingly using a simple 3D workflow. The goal, turn a flat vector-style graphic into something that catches light and looks physically believable. Try this. 1. Pre-compose your artwork so all the related elements act together. 2. Keep your asterisk background shape, asterisk, outside the pre-compose. 3. Enable asterisk 3. D asterisk for both layers, the background and your artwork. Then, increase asterisk, extrusion depth, asterisk, on the background shape. Set the extrusion style to asterisk, convex asterisk, so edges look soft instead of harsh. Move your artwork slightly forward on the asterisk, z-axis, asterisk, so it rests naturally on top. Now one important detail. To preserve the original colors of your artwork, asterisk, disable, accept lights, asterisk, on the artwork layer. Keep lighting enabled on the background, so the base still looks dimensional. Finally, use add one soft asterisk spotlight, asterisk. Choose add a subtle asterisk shadow. Choose add a subtle asterisk shadow, so everything anchors to the surface. Boom. Your flat icon or illustration suddenly feels like a premium object sitting in space. No complex 3D modeling required, just smart depth cues. This is one of the fastest ways to upgrade the perceived quality of your visuals, especially for product-style animations and UI-style marketing clips. Tisha, Hasha, Skill Hash 5. Build massive scenes without creating everything from scratch. Here's the biggest confidence boost of all. You can create big cinematic scenes without redrawing everything from zero. The trick professionals use is asterisk, asterisk, reuse, asterisk, asterisk, plus, asterisk, asterisk, depth, asterisk, asterisk, plus, asterisk, asterisk, smart, repetition, asterisk, 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 smart, repetition, asterisk, asterisk, hash, hash, hash. The workflow. 1. Turn your illustrations into 3D layers using asterisk, asterisk, classic 3D, asterisk, asterisk. 2. Push background elements deeper into asterisk, asterisk, Z-space, asterisk, asterisk. 3. Increase their scale so objects farther away appear roughly the same size from the camera. Why? Because perspective changes how distance looks. You want visual consistency so the scene reads as real, not like a fake zoom. Then place an asterisk, asterisk camera, asterisk, asterisk. Enable asterisk, asterisk, depth of field, asterisk, asterisk. That blur is a cheat code. It makes scenes feel more cinematic immediately. Hash, hash, hash. Make it bigger. Need a larger environment? Don't redraw, duplicate. Duplicate buildings, duplicate trees, duplicate mountains. And to break the "this is repeated" look, flip certain assets horizontally. Scatter smaller objects around transition areas to hide seams, like rocks, shrubs, small signage, or little plants. The viewer's eye catches detail, not repetition, so you use those small fillers as camouflage. Hash, hash, hash. Smooth camera moves. Instead of animating the camera directly all the time, create asterisk, asterisk null object, asterisk, asterisk. Parent your asterisk, asterisk camera, asterisk, asterisk to the null. Animate the null for camera motion. This keeps camera movement smoother and easier to tweak. If the client wants the shot to feel a little more aggressive or calmer, you adjust the controller, not rebuild the motion. By combining reuse, depth, camera blur, and smart duplication, your tiny illustration becomes an entire world. You're not just animating anymore, you're staging a scene. Hash, hash. Final thoughts. Professional motion is intentional motion. Let's tie everything together. Professional motion graphics aren't about piling on more effects. They're about making the viewer feel like every frame has a reason to exist. Skill Hash 1 teaches you to animate asterisk structure, asterisks, not random layers. Skill Hash 2 gives you typography that smoothly reveals and feels human. Skill Hash 3 gives you organization and control, so revisions don't destroy your timeline. Skill Hash 4 adds believable depth, so simple graphics feel premium. Skill Hash 5 helps you build huge environments by reusing what you already have smartly. If you implement even 2 of these skills in your next project, you'll notice a difference fast. Your animations will look smoother, more cohesive, and more deliberate, even to people who can't explain why. So pick one skill to start today. Want clean readability? Go Skill Hash 2. Want instant polish? Go Skill Hash 1. Want your workflow to stop collapsing? Go Skill Hash 3. Want wow depth with minimal work? Go Skill Hash 4. Want cinematic scale without starting over? Go Skill Hash 5. Keep experimenting, keep saving your best setups, and treat your timeline like a tool, not a struggle. That's how your motion stops looking like something you tried and starts looking like something you asterisk designed, asterisk.